just amazing, this place. Hey everybody, this is my third day in Sikkim. I'm currently in North Sikkim. Network is awful. There is no internet connection, nothing as such. I had to surrender my drone in the last check post because there are some restrictions with carrying drone up until here and to other locations. So far, things have not been much good because well, the food's not good up here, and the road condition was pretty bad, and I wasn't even allowed to get my personal vehicle to this place. There are some government restrictions. I had to take a rented car with other passengers on board. It was kind of congested, and of course, the road wasn't good either. So good morning, everybody. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm currently still in Lachen. This is the Grand Lachung Hotel where I put up for the night. At the moment, we are departing for Gurudongmar Lake, and we are so stoked at the moment, and let's hope everything goes right. Hello everyone, this is day 4. At the moment we are halting for breakfast. Right now I'm sitting literally in the belly of the Himalaya. I've packed my breakfast, which is chicken noodles. I'm just giving you a view around. It's just so amazing. And by the way, the temperature has dropped so bad that my hands are stiff. I can't even talk much. What the hell? Where am I? So currently I'm sitting beside the highest lake in India. It's called Gurudongmar Lake. The entire view is just amazing. And the thing is, the fact is, I just can't move. The oxygen level is so low. I can't move my hands, my feet, my mouth. Can't even talk properly. It's just amazing, this place. I wish I could stay longer, but honestly, we're not allowed to stay because of its proximity with Indo-Chinese border. Good morning. Today is the fifth day in Sikkim. I'm in Lachung Valley. Amazing place surrounded by mountains. Yesterday was equally thrilling. We went to Kalapatthar, then to Gurudongmar Lake. However, because of the rough road and pretty bad, you know, I didn't feel quite well while on the road in the vehicle, and I got back pain and stuff. So I'm planning to take rest today in Lachung Valley. Hello, I've begun my hiking through Lachung Valley. These are stairways, shortcuts, saves a lot of energy. Kind of a unique thing in Sikkim that you can see. This place is just so amazing. Just don't want to go away from here. Incredible. Hello there, today is the last day in Sikkim, sixth day. Kind of busy packing up, and I need to depart for Guwahati right away because it's just too far from here. I'll keep you updated. It is about 2:30 a.m. I'm just 200 kilometers shy of my hometown, so I decided to take a nap at a fuel station. Anyway, so this marks the end of the journey.